Good morning, everyone. Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Science, Maodiangdiang, Shillong, had released an advertisement of recruitment drive for this following post. According to this advertisement, recruitment drive, the Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Science, Maodiangdiang, Shillong, had an urgent requirement of this following post. For applying for this post, so you need to fill the form. You have to apply an offline form, but you cannot apply in online. So according to this following posts, there will be only 3 years tenures for this following post. So the interested candidate who want to apply for this, please follow my channel, WhatsApp channel, and also like and subscribe my channel so that you can get more information daily. For the interested candidate who want to apply for this post, remember you have to watch my video carefully, then I will show you the qualification requirement for this following post. So in this advertisement, there are more than 100 of vacancies through this following post. Serial number 1, there will be Department of Anesthesiology. There will be 11 vacancies, 6 for UR, then 3 for OBC and 2 for SC. Serial number 2, there will be Anatomy. There will be 2 vacancies, 1 for SC and 1 for EWS. 3, there will be Biochemistry, 1 for UR, and then Bones and Plastic Surgery will be 1 for UR. Cardiology will be 1 for OBC. Community and Medicine will be 1 for EWS. CTVS will be 1 for OBC. Dermatology will be 2 vacancies, 1 for UR and 1 for OBC. ENT will be 1 vacancy only for OBC. General Medicine will be 7 vacancies, 6 for OBC and 1 for ST. General Surgery will be 4 only for OBC for these following vacancies. Microbiology will be 2 vacancies, 1 for SC and 1 for EWS. Then Neurology, 3 vacancies, 1 for EWS and 2 for OBC. Neurosurgery, 2, 1 for UR and 1 for OBC. 15 will be Obstetric and Gynecology, 4 vacancies, 2 for OBC, 1 for SC and 1 for EWS. 16 will be Orthopedics, 1 for EWS, vacancies only. 17 Pediatrics, 3 vacancies, 1 for OBC and 2 for SC. 18 will be Pediatric Surgery, 1 for UR. Pain and Palliative Care, 1 for UR. And then Pathology, 2, 1 for ST and 1 for OBC. Pharmacology, 1 for SC. Physiology, 1 for OBC. Psychiatry, 1 for EWS. Then Radiodiagnosis will be 3 vacancies, 1 for SC and 2 for OBC. Radiation Oncology will be 2, 1 for SC and 1 for OBC. Surgical Oncology, 3 vacancies, 1 for UR and 3 for OBC. 27 will be TB and respiratory diseases will be 1 only for OBC, and urology will be 1 vacancies only for UR. So the total vacancy will be 65 vacancies for this following all posts. So for this following 3 posts reserved for person with benchmark disabilities in the non-surgical department as per Government of India policy. So in these vacancies, there will be 3 posts for the disabilities person also. Critical for person with benchmark disabilities, 1% each reserved for person with benchmark disabilities under clauses A, B, and C, and 1% for person with benchmark disability under clauses D and E, namely A will be blindness and low vision, 6 will be deaf and hard of hearing, C will locomotor disability including cerebral palsy, leprosy, cough and dwarfism, acid attack victim, and muscular dystrophy. D will be autism, intellectual disability, specific learning disability, and mental illness. multiple disabilities from amongst persons under clauses A to D, including deaf blindness in the post in identify for each disabilities. So for this, the disabilities person, they need the disability certificate should be issued duly by the constitute an authorized medical board of state or central government hospital institute and countersigned by medical superintendents of CMO head of hospital institution. The candidate from general and other category will be also be considered for ad hoc appointment against vacant posts of reserve category marked after this. In respect of Department of OBG and Radiology, one post each will be considered for ad hoc appointment against OBC. The number of vacant posts indicated above the inclusive of backlog vacancies. As per guidelines, EWS posts are not carried forward or considered as backlog vacancies in case on filling, hence other category candidate may be allowed additionally to apply for the post subject to the condition that they will be considered for the post as you are candidate only if EWF category seat is otherwise not filled up. For this is the essential qualification for the post of senior resident doctor. Remember how you listen carefully for this education qualification for this following post. Number 1, postgraduate degree MB, MS, DNB in respective field subject after obtaining a medical qualification include in Schedule 1, 2, and 3, Schedule to the Indian Medical Council Acts of 1956. The person possessing qualification include in Part 2 of 3 Schedule should be also fulfill the conditions specified in Section 13B of the Acts. Number 2, satisfactory completion of the compulsory internship after MBBS. Number 3, the candidate must be registered with any state medical council or NMC. So remember, the candidate who want to apply interested for this, remember for this application, essential qualification for this following post, senior resident doctor, these are the qualifications that they are allowed to apply for those who have passed through this qualification. For those candidates who have not yet registered in or with any state medical or NMC, you cannot apply for this post. Remember, then for the pay scale or salaries for every month will be level 11 pay matrix with entry pay of Rs 67,700 per month plus NPA and other allowance admissible under the central government rule in identical posts. Age limit must be 45 years. The aspiring applicant satisfying the eligibility in all respects can submit their application in prescribed pro forma at Annex 1 along with scanned copy of the following self-attest certificate by email to neigrimsrecruitment@gmail.com. Then these are the following documents that are required. Number 1, one recent passport size photo. 2, certificate of date of birth, 10 certificate. Then certificate of SC, ST, LSS, OBC, non-creamy lawyer, certificate from the competent authority if applicable. Number 4, MBBS pass certificate. Number 5, MBBS mark sheet. Number 6, MBBS attempt certificate. Number 7, MBBS internship completion certificate. Then number 8, MCI NMC eligibility certificate for candidate passing from foreign medical institute. Number 9, result of screening test for Indian national with foreign medical qualification issued by the National Board of Examination. Number 10 will be MD, MS, DNB pass certificate. Number 11, medical registration certificate for MBBS, MD, MS, DNB. Number 12 will be NOC from the present employer if employed. For those who are employed, then you need NOC from the present employer. And then for those who have the experience certificate, then you can bring. For those who don't have the experience certificate, no need if you don't have the resident certificate issued by competent authority of Aadhaar card or voter ID and passport. You have to have this also with you. Then the character certificate also you must have with you. So these are the following documents that are needed for applying for this post. The document submitted by the candidate will be screened before the interview, and only the eligible candidate who fulfill the eligibility criteria will be allowed to appear in the interview. The date of the interview will be published in the institute website. So for those who are applying this recruitment, so after you have been selected, then you need to check the website daily in the institute website so that you can see the interview date. So once again, the candidate should bring the original document at the time of interview at the institute. So remember, for those who have been selected for the interview, you should bring the original document along with you at that time for interview in the institute. So only this much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel daily so that you can get more information about this. Thank you.